What's up, dude?
What is up, guys? Dill here. So for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you probably already know, but I did have some good news to tell you guys. It became official yesterday. I'm officially a team rider for First Manufacturing Company. So I am extremely grateful for it. I'm humbled. It's a great opportunity. I will not let them down. I'm honestly stoked they gave me the opportunity, and yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I'm still sort of like shocked by it. Not shocked, but more or less I'm just stoked, man. Overall stoked. They have a lot of great product, a lot of product they're going to be sending me, so I'm hoping to give you guys some giveaways and all that. Also, I can get you guys 15% discount. Just use code LRD15. It is on my page, my YouTube and Instagram. I will also drop it in the video description. Again, that's LRD15. And that's site-wide, so any product you guys like or love, dude, just buy it, use the code, and you get 15% off right away. And I know they usually get you guys out product very quickly. They have great customer service, and they try and rush it out to you as soon as possible. Obviously, with the shipping delays going on, it might not be as fast as what you usually are expecting, you know, but for the most part, when I got mine, it was very quick. Like within a couple days I had it, and they're all the way in New York. So, and I'm in California, so I was actually very surprised on how fast, oh, I gotta get over, how fast they got that to me. But yeah, I want to thank the guys and girls at First Manufacturing Company. Thank you for this opportunity. It means the world to me. Thank you for, you know, all the support and love you guys have showed me. It's really taken off faster than I thought it would. So I am extremely grateful for everyone, and we have some really big events coming up, so I'm excited for that. We got Born Free coming up soon. I'll probably be taking a ride up to Neptune's Net on, I believe, Saturday. Yeah, Saturday, with a couple guys, so that'll be a lot of fun. So yeah, some big things coming up, guys. I know Jared Pena, our photographer, he is actually out at Laughlin Bike Week this week. So I'm excited to see the footage and content that he's getting from that. I will definitely tag him in probably the next video and some content that he gives me. Whoa, man. People are very impatient. But yeah, so thanks again, guys. I'm gonna keep this video short. I'm gonna be doing a really cool one Saturday for Neptune's Net. But yeah, again, just wanted to let you guys know, if you ever need anything from First Manufacturing, use a promo code, save yourself some money. Again, thank you for the love and support. I'm gonna catch you guys on Saturday. You have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon. Peace.
Later, dude.